I'm Tiffany Daniels, and I'm going to show you some shoulder stretches that can really help with opening up the chest and helping you stay relaxed. First, we're going to start with a wall stretch, okay? So you take your head, you take your hand about head height, okay, and on the wall, and you're simply going to turn away from it as much as you can. Start here, twist your body away. And hold that. You should feel it right here across the front of your shoulder into your pec. And you can finger walk your way up a little bit for another angle. Twist again on your exhales best. Deep breathing is very helpful for stretching and letting your muscles relax. Okay, do the other side. Head height or just above. Twist away. Stand tall with good posture, not slumping. Nice open chest. "30 seconds is a good hold so that you can feel that lengthening, and you can play around with twisting a little bit more, raising your arm up. All those things are good. Now you can also take a doorway and grab onto that and pull with your body weight. Exhale, relax, open the chest, look up. So much of what we do is forward and down, and this really hurts our neck and neutralizes the curve that should be there to protect our discs. And then you can do have another doorway, pull, pull, lunge forward, open the chest. All right, do some shoulder rolls backwards. It's really great. Nice and slow, press down. Okay, all those are really great. Also, overhead stretch. Okay, also an overhead stretch. Reach up, take your hands together. Reach for the ceiling, look up, inhale, exhale. Reach back behind your head, holding on tight. Inhale again, we're going to lean to the side for a side stretch. Hold for 10 seconds. Keep yourself open towards the back as much as you can, not a forward slunch. Open behind the ear if you can, or ear level. Come up slowly. Breathe in. And side bend again, keeping the arm to the ear and behind if possible. But just keep it as much as you can. And this hand can help pull extra. See that? Pull. So I'm leaning and then pulling the other arm. Can even get down into the waistline with that pull. Nice and open with both arms is really great. Just reaching up a little bit throughout the day can help with computer work and staying bent forward. If you have little kids or you work with little kids, you have to be down forward. And so opening up is really great for your shoulder health, even neck. Look up at the ceiling and take a few deep breaths throughout your day. Okay, you can do this one as well, of course. But most people need opening up the chest and engaging the back of the shoulder muscles. And so that's what this really quick routine will do for you. Stay tuned for more videos, and like and subscribe. Please comment, like, and I hope to see you again. Bye-bye.